This video shows how to fix a document feeder mispick error message on the printer control panel if the automatic document feeder, or ADF, does not pick up paper, feeds multiple sheets, or jams on your HP LaserJet Pro MFP M225DN or M226DN printer. If a document feeder mispick error appears on your printer control panel, follow these steps to fix the problem. Check the paper in the ADF. Paper feed issues in the ADF might result from using damaged paper in the ADF tray. First, remove the original document from the ADF. Remove any staples or self-adhesive notes from the document. Make sure the original document is in good condition and replace any damaged paper. Make sure all the paper is the same size and type. Align a stack of paper by tapping it on a flat surface. Load paper into the document feeder tray until it stops. Slide the paper width guides inward until they stop at the edge of the paper. Do not push the paper width guides in so far that they bend the paper. The paper should not be higher than the guides in the input tray. Do not load more than 35 pages in the ADF. Large stacks of paper can lead to pick problems. Remove any paper from the output bin. Try the task again. If the document prints, the problem is resolved. If it does not print, go on to the next step. Clean the ADF pick rollers and the separator pad. Dust on the rollers or separator pad can cause paper feed issues. First, you will need a lint-free cloth and distilled, filtered, or bottled water. Tap water might damage the printer. Remove the original document from the ADF. Press the power button to turn off the printer. Disconnect the power cord from the back of the printer. Open the ADF input tray. Find the pick rollers and separator pad. Then, lightly dampen the cloth with the water and squeeze out any excess water. Use the damp cloth to wipe off any dust from the pick rollers and separator pad. Leave the ADF cover open for 2 minutes to allow the pick rollers and separator pad to dry. Then, close the ADF input tray. Reload the original document print side up in the document feeder tray. Slide the paper width guides inward until they stop at the edge of the paper. Do not push the guides in so tightly that they start to bend the paper. Reconnect the power cord to the back of the printer. Press the power button to turn the printer on. Try the task again. If the document prints, the problem is resolved. If it does not print, go on to the next step. Clear a paper jam in the ADF. The document feeder mispick message might indicate that paper is stuck inside the ADF. First, remove any loose paper from the ADF input tray. Lift the ADF input tray. Lift the jam access cover. Using both hands, pull any jammed paper out of the ADF. Close the jam access cover. Close the ADF input tray. Try the task again. If the document prints, then the problem is resolved. If it does not print, go on to the next step. If you have completed all of the steps and are still experiencing issues, the printer might need to be serviced. Your options for service might vary depending on how long you have owned the printer and what country you live in. Contact HP to find out the support options for your printer. You can find additional helpful videos at hp.com/support videos and on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/HP printer support.